welcome back to Love Your Food. This week we're doing a very simple recipe. This is a simple seared steak. Now the cut we are using is called Bavette, also known as a flap steak. It's part of the same cut as a porterhouse, and this is just a really simple method for getting an excellent medium rare steak. So here's what it looks like before it hits the pan. And our only other ingredients are going to be some kosher salt and a little bit of fresh ground black pepper, and that's it. That's the entire recipe list there. So we have our cast iron in a 500 degree oven. Chef Caleb's going to take that out. And we're going to put that over a high heat right away. We want to make sure that this gets very, very hot. And all we're going to do is we're going to season our steaks. So any kind of protein does need to be seasoned before it hits the heat. So a little bit of black pepper and some salt. There's a couple of reasons for this. Not only does it help the flavor, but it also helps that Maillard reaction that gets that beautiful brown sear on there. The salt and pepper really aid in that, and it gives it a lot more flavor on the final product. And then that's going to go seasoned side down on that extremely hot pan. You can see some sizzling coming right off of there. And you want to make sure that's all got some good contact with that hot cast iron. And then while that side is searing, we are going to season the other side. So another little bit of black pepper. And a good generous sprinkling of salt as well. And then we're just going to let this side cook for a little while. And then we are going to flip them all over. So do remember which order you put them down in. You want to flip them over in the same order if you can. You can see that nice sear on there. Our lighting is not perfect in the kitchen. You see that nice color on there? That's fantastic. So that's going to go into the oven. Our oven is still set at 500 degrees. Make sure your element gets turned off. And it's only going to go in for a couple of minutes. We're only going to put it in for 2 minutes to start. And then we're going to take it out and give it a little check. So you can test these with a thermometer right in the middle. The length of time you want to cook these is going to depend on the thickness of the steak. These are not quite ready yet. These are still rare, and we want to get these to medium rare. So we're just going to put them in for another couple of minutes. They're really not going to take very long at all. So here they come after another 2 minutes. And those are just about perfect. So again, the thickness of the steak will determine how long it's going to take for them to cook. And if you want them more done, then you can flip them at this point and put them back in the oven for another few minutes. We usually recommend 2-minute increments. And before you eat them, you do want to let them rest for a few minutes before you cut into them. Otherwise, all of that great flavor and juice will just run out and you'll have a very dry steak. But that is just about perfect. That's a great medium rare cut right there. We use the Bavette. We think it's a really fantastic little searing steak. It's really delicious. Got a lot of flavor. A little bit similar texture to a flank steak. It's excellent for this, and we do recommend it. So that's it. Really, really simple. Beautiful seared steak. Just goes in the oven for a couple of minutes. This goes amazingly well with the chimichurri we did last week, which we did eat this with, and that's all it is. If you like this recipe, please do like and subscribe. And if you have any recipes you'd like to see Chef Caleb try on the channel, please let us know in the comments below. And remember to love your food.